So today I'm gonna be unboxing this Haba soccer set, and I got this from Miss Amira. Those are one of my sister's teachers. I'm gonna be showing you how to use this. Okay? So before you unbox it, it says you can use if you're age 3. You can't use when you're 2 or 1. Okay? And this is warning: choking hard, small part, not for children under 3 years old. Okay? Just a warning. Okay? Soccer's my favorite game, so that's why she got this. It's already open. Okay? Here's the inside. And also the soccer ball comes with batteries, so that's why I can light up. I'm gonna get it out. Okay, so we'll open this later. That's why especially it comes with a screwdriver. So now here's how you pump it. You see this white thing? Pull it out and connect it here. Okay. Okay, so that's the needle that you use to pump this up. Okay. So you just put the needle inside the hole and pump it up. So guys, now I'm going to fix the goal. I already did a few pieces, okay? I did a few pieces. That we already did, and you're supposed to have it. Okay, so now time to make the next. Time to test it out. Don't worry, guys. You see this foam on the edge? Guys, see this foam on the edge? If you bump anywhere, don't worry, because there's a foam on the edge. Go! Another goal. Go!
Thank you.